Hello student, this is the second video of state government. In previous video we already discussed MLA and MLC, unicameral and bicameral legislature. Today we start what are the requirement for a person to choose MLA. A candidate contesting the assembly election of the state should be, first point, a citizen of India, a voter in any constituency of that state, not less than 25 years of age. It means that particular MLA candidate have not less than 25 years of age in case of the seat reserved for SC and ST, a member of any those caste of tribes. Next, how a bill is passed by the state legislature. You know, the process of making and passing law is called legislation. A bill is a proposal of law that can originate in either houses of the state assembly, the member of the legislative council and the legislative assembly. Both are involved in the making law procedure. But what are the steps followed in the process of making a law? For making a law, kind of bill, one is the ordinary bill and other is money bill. Two types of bill, one is money bill and other is ordinary bill. Ordinary bill are introduced in either of the two houses of the state legislature, the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. They can be introduced either by a minister or any other private member. The passage of bill involved three stages called three reading. First reading involved the introduction of bill. Second reading consisting of a general discussion on the proposal of bill, and the bill is discussed clause by clause in the house. This is followed by the third reading of the bill, in which mainly voting on the bill take place. If it passes, then the speaker of the legislative assembly sign it and send to the Vidhan Parishad for further procedure. Same process is followed in Vidhan Parishad, and after that it is sent to the governor for his assent and the bill become an act. Then this bill become converted into act after the signature of governor. Here is one question. There can be a situation in which the legislative council or Vidhan Parishad does not pass the bill. Yes, in case the bill, after being sent in legislative council for its consideration, a period for more than 3 months have lapsed without the bill being passed. देखिए, अभी क्या बताया मैंने कि अगर बिल पास होना है तो उसके लिए 3 रीडिंग होता है, और वो 3 रीडिंग पहले विधानसभा में, फिर विधान परिषद में, उसके बाद जो है वो राज्यपाल के अनुमति के लिए या सिग्नेचर के लिए जानता है, तो वो बिल जो है वो लॉ में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। अगर मान लीजिए विधान परिषद उस बिल को अगर नहीं पास करे तो क्या होगा? तो पहला पॉइंट है उसमें कि 3 महीना से वो ज़्यादा उस बिल को लटका के नहीं रख सकते हैं। सेकेंड, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल पास द बिल विथ सर्टेन अमेंडमेंट टू द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली। अगर विधान परिषद कुछ अमेंडमेंट, कुछ सुधार चाहते हैं तो वो क्या करेंगे, उस बिल को पुनः विधानसभा के पास भेज देंगे एंड passes the bill again, it become obligatory for the Vidhan Parishad to consider a bill with 30 days. If the duration of 30 days is over, the bill is rejected by the Vidhan Parishad, it considered and passed by both the houses and it sent to the governor for the assent, after which the bill become act. But the procedure of passing the money bill is different. A money bill can be introduced or originated only in Vidhan Sabha by a minister with the prior consent of the governor. The money bill is first passed in Vidhan Sabha and is then sent to Vidhan Parishad. The Vidhan Parishad must return the bill within 14 days. If it fail, do so with the stipulated time of 14 days. देखिए, मनी बिल जो है वो पहले विधान सभा के द्वारा पारित किया जाता है, उसके बाद विधान परिषद को भेजा जाता है। अगर वो 14 और उनको क्या है कि मनी बिल में उनकी मजबूरी है कि उनको 14th दिन के अंदर उसको पास करना। अगर वो नहीं करते हैं तो स्वतः वो बिल जो है वो पास माना जाएगा और फिर वो गवर्नर के पास चला जाएगा। For example, the ordinary bill can originated in any house, may be Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad, but money bill can be introduced only in Vidhan Sabha. And two houses have unequal power in case of ordinary bill, unequal power, but there is no provision of joint sitting of the two houses in case of any difference between them. The Vidhan Parishad can only delay the passage of the bill by 3 months. We also know that money bill are introduced only in Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad can delay it only for 14 days. Then what is the criteria for Vidhan Parishad? The member of the Vidhan Parishad. In next video we discuss. Okay, thank you.